Good morning, B1 students. Today is Monday and it's the 22nd of June 2020. For today's activity, we are going to read a book. And the title of the book is The Three Little Pigs. Can you say it with me? The Three Little Pigs. Are you ready? Good job. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived with their mother. They grew and grew until they were so big, and the time came for them to move out and build houses for themselves. So they live in their mom's house, but they're big already, so they have to make house for their own. The first pig was lazy. He doesn't like to do anything. He built his house out of straw. So this house is made of straw. As quickly as possible, means as fast as he could. One day, a big bad wolf knocked on the door. Little pig, let me come in, he said. Not by the hair of my chinny chin, replied the pig nervously. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, growled the wolf. He blew so hard that the straw house blew away. The poor pig ran as fast as he could to his brother's house. The second pig's house was built out of sticks and slightly stronger. So here, this is made of sticks or wood and stronger than the one that made of straw, right? The big bad wolf knocked on the door. Little pigs, let me come in, said the wolf. Not by hair and our chitty chins, the pig shouted. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, said the wolf. He blew so hard that the house of sticks fell down. The two terrified pigs ran as fast as they could to their last brother's house and slammed the door. They went to their third brother's house here. This third pig, who was more patient and careful than his brothers, had built his house out of bricks. Oh, this house is more concrete, more sturdy, and more strong. The ones that are made of straw and the ones that are made of sticks or wood. The big bad wolf knocked on the pig's well-built door. Little pigs, let me come in, said the big bad wolf. Not by the hair and our chinny chins, cried the pigs. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, said the wolf. Then he blew with all his might. He huffed and he puffed and he puffed and he huffed, but he couldn't blow the house down. Look at this. This one. He cannot blow this house because it's very strong. The wolf cannot blow the house. He was a sly old wolf. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna go here in your chimney. Ha 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 ha. Wait for me. And he decided to find another way in. He climbed onto the roof, sneaked in through the chimney. So this is the chimney of the house where the smoke can go out. Little did he know that there was a pot of hot water waiting for him at the bottom. The three little pigs are so wise and so smart, so they boiled the water. So when this wolf came down, ow, my butt is hurting, my butt is burning, ow, it hurts so much, it's very hot. Yo, the wolf yelled as he fell into the water. Look at him, the smoke, oh, my butt is hurting, ow. He ran for the forest. And he never ever bothered the three little pigs again. The end. Alright. So now we are going to answer this story. Okay, let's take a look. So here we are going to check which one is the first in the story, right? So here, sequencing the three little pigs. So we are going to arrange which one comes first in the story. Okay, let's see. So which one first? Oh, it's loading. So you are going, yeah, so we are going to identify which one is first in the story. So yes, this one is when the wolf go up in the chimney and landed in the hat of water. Is this the first one? Hmm. This one is the picture of the wolf when he was trying to blow the house, but he couldn't because the house was very strong, right? How about the so this is when the wolf. This picture is when the wolf was blowing the straw house, and then the pig went to the his brother's house. So this picture is when the first pig was building his what's this? Building his house. So which of this picture is which one? Which one is the first one? So this one, right? So this is when the pigs left their mother. So we're gonna put it in one. This is the first one. Yes, and this. So this is the picture when the wolf blowed his house. There we go. And then here is when, this one is when, this one is when to the roof. And then the last one is, yay. That, right, that will be the end. So we got 3 stars. You are a master. Good job. Did you like the story? Yes, okay, that will be all for today. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the story. Goodbye.